Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, MF Cooking. In this video, we'll be making Louisiana chicken pasta. We hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified whenever we post a new video. Let's get started. For this recipe, you will need thin sliced chicken breast, Parmesan cheese, mushrooms, green and red bell peppers, yellow onion, minced garlic, heavy whipping cream, chicken broth, Panko breadcrumbs, Italian breadcrumbs, grated Parmesan cheese, an egg, bow tie noodles, all seasoning, cayenne pepper, black pepper, parsley, salt, onion powder, garlic powder, crushed red pepper, and lemon pepper. Let's get started by first dicing up a half of yellow onion and a half of green and red pepper. Once you're done cutting up your veggies, season your chicken breast to taste. In a bowl, beat 1 egg and season with a little all seasoning. Next, in a different bowl, add 3/4 cups of Italian breadcrumbs, 3 tablespoons of Panko breadcrumbs, and 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Give it a good mix. After, coat chicken with egg mixture and with breadcrumbs. Allow the breaded chicken to rest for 5 minutes. Boil bow tie noodles until tender. While the noodles are boiling, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil to a skillet. Next, add the peppers, onions, and mushrooms. Season to taste and sauté until tender. Next, add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, a half cup of chicken broth, 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, 1 teaspoon of lemon pepper, and season to taste. While the sauce is cooking, fry chicken for 10 minutes or until golden brown. Once the sauce has thickened, add bow tie noodles and mix well. Lastly, plate your pasta and garnish with red pepper flakes and fresh Parmesan cheese. And there you have it, Louisiana chicken pasta. Thank you all for watching the video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And remember to tell everyone you know, them MFers be cooking.